I am Dr. Sharvari Patil from Rion Homeopathic Clinic, Pune. We all are under lockdown already and we all are suffering from so much of frustration. Each one of us is looking to come out of it very soon. We all have started taking preventive medicine which is suggested by Ayush Ministry of India, that is Arsenic Album 30. Now let's see how Arsenic Album 30 actually works, because most of them have no idea how it does. So Arsenic album is a genus epidemicus suggested during the epidemic. Now you must be wondering, what is genus epidemicus? Genus epidemicus is the term used in homeopathy wherein a large number of people, if they are suffering from an epidemic, the most common symptoms are taken into consideration and the most effective and the most close remedy or the homeopathic drug is then matched with these symptoms and then given in that epidemic. For example, in COVID-19, the most common symptoms, as we all know, are throat pain, running nose, sneezing, coughing, breathlessness, nausea, vomiting, loose motions. When these all were considered and taken into consideration, the most closely matching remedy homeopathically was Arsenic album. So Arsenic album was thus suggested by the ministry as the genus epidemicus or the preventive in this particular epidemic of COVID-19. So we all have started taking it already. Now we must be wondering, how does Arsenic album actually work? So let's see. Vaccine works, because when we get to know how a vaccine works, we'll also get to know how arsenic does. When a vaccine works inside our body, when a vaccine is administered in a healthy individual, a pathogen is actually introduced inside the body. The pathogen is a very mild version of a particular virus. When the body gets to know that there is some pathogen inside the body, the security cells, that is the lymphocytes, they start producing antibodies in our body. These antibodies are like fighter cells. These fighter cells try to get this invader, that is the pathogen, out of your body, and thus when these antibodies fight against it, the antibodies are produced. These antibodies are memorized by the memory cells and these are ready-made inside your body. When next time the infection sets in or the same virus sets in your body, the body already knows which antibodies were prepared previously because they have memorized it already. So then they start fighting with them and thus try to get this invader out of their body. When we have got to know how actually vaccine works, we'll also now consider how arsenic does. Arsenic album has capacity to actually work on symptoms, mostly like common symptoms are cold, cough, breathlessness, also psychologically the fear of contagion, the fear of epidemic. These symptoms were considered while getting it as a preventive. Now when we take it as a preventive medicine, COVID-19 like symptoms are actually produced inside our body. As we saw in the vaccine theory that there is a pathogen introduced inside your body, similarly arsenic starts producing COVID-19 like symptoms inside your body, but let me tell you, they are in a very milder way. Very mild version of these symptoms are there. The person doesn't even know that they are there, and that is actually called as homeopathic medicinal aggravation inside your body. It is like a kind of stimulus to your body so that the immune response gets activated. When immune response gets activated, as I told you, they start producing antibodies to get this invader out of your body. Now we have got to know how actually arsenic album works. The antibodies start getting the invader out of your body, and thus we have ready-made antibodies inside your body. And when you take a preventive as arsenic album, next time if you get exposed, your body is already high in immunity and the immune response is already high inside your body. In some cases, if even if the patient gets affected by coronavirus, the symptoms, the patient is already ready for this fight. The body is already prepared with certain antibodies because this person had already taken preventive medicine previously. So the next time, the next month, we need to just repeat the course, because later on the action of the medicine starts getting deranged. After certain primary and secondary actions of our homeopathic medicines, then it just gets restored back to health. But let's not get into that currently. We need to fight COVID-19 right now. So let's just fight it. Wash your hands, be safe.